We've just completed the wildlife crossing just west of Parleys Summit. It's been a major undertaking and we're happy that it's done. We're excited about the results that we're expecting to see here. It's a win for both wildlife and the people that drive on the road.
The Division of Wildlife Resources has been working for years with UDWR on trying to figure out some better ways to protect some of these migrating wild animals, especially these big game animals, and to avoid any collisions with vehicles for public safety and to protect the animals as well.
This wildlife overpass marks a major milestone in our community. It's a step in the right direction in reducing wildlife and vehicle collisions here in Summit County.
The reason this is significant is this is the first overpass specifically designed and built for wildlife to cross in the state of Utah. In checking our database over the last 2 years, we've had 106 wildlife vehicle collisions that have been reported in the Parleys Canyon area.
It's so sad when you see a dead animal, and of course public safety is our #1 issue. We're trying to make sure that people don't get hurt in these collisions as well as the wildlife. And we figure there's at least 2,000 deer, probably 700 to 800 elk, 100 to 120 moose that would utilize this general area.
The bridge itself is 350 feet long and 50 feet wide. We want to make the bridge feel as much a part of the natural surroundings as we can, and that's why our crews have placed boulders and rocks to help it blend in with the surroundings.
This is a great mechanism for them after they learn about this crossing area to be able to cross one way or another.
Save People, Save Wildlife asks the community to please keep it wild. The Wildlife Bridge overpass is so important to be used solely for wildlife. While we love pets and we love all animals, it's really important that pets and people stay at home and let the Wildlife Bridge be for the wildlife.
But if we have people that are hanging out in that area, it's going to discourage them from wanting to cross. And we want wildlife to be able to get to where they need to get for the different seasons.
It's amazing to see what can be accomplished when we come together to achieve a goal. Summit County, Division of Wildlife Resources, Save People, Save Wildlife, UDWR, we all partner together to make this happen.